it's Shylo! Come along as we make some ice cream. Woo! Hey, it's Shylo. Hey, Andrea.
Hi, Shylo. Welcome to Oxford Ice Cream.
This place is so cool.
Thank you so much. Would you like to try some flavors?
Oh, I would love to try.
Come on back. I'll give you my favorites. We'll do this pink one.
Pink is my favorite color. Thank you.
And how about this one?
Ooh. So good.
What do you think?
I love it, thank you. But do you have something more creative?
I have an idea.
What?
Why don't we make a Shylo flavor?
A Shylo flavor? Wow, I would love that.
Let's do it.
Hey, it's Shylo. Come on, let's explore today. Hey, it's Shylo. Shylo, hooray! Andrea, how do you make ice cream?
Well, the first ingredient is in the name.
So cream,
Yes?
milk,
Yeah.
we got sugar,
You betcha.
egg yolk,
Yeah.
and skim milk powder.
Absolutely.
Woohoo!
The last step is to decide what we want to add to flavor it.
Oh, I have an idea.
Okay.
Could we add some sprinkles?
Absolutely.
I would love that in my Shylo ice cream.
What about some waffle cones?
Oh, I love waffle cones.
Yeah.
Waffle cone sprinkles?
Yeah. And maybe, what's your favorite fruit?
Strawberry?
How about raspberry?
Oh, I love you in raspberry better.
Let's get you an apron.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
And we get started.
Guys, guess what we're putting in my Shylo flavored ice cream? Waffle sprinkles and raspberry swirl. Woohoo! We're at an ice cream shop and I'm making my own flavor. Yeah, it's the best day ever. Wow, Andrea, what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make the waffle cones to go in your ice cream.
Cool.
So we open it up and we
Okay.
take a scoop of waffle cone dough
Ooh.
and we put it in the middle.
Okay, like this?
You betcha. And then we
Nice.
close the lid and kind of wiggle it and press it until we see waffle cone coming out the sides.
Okay.
It takes a few minutes, and once it's ready, we'll use our fancy waffle cone roller to turn it into a cone.
Wow, guys, I'm making my own waffle cone. So now what do I do?
You lift it up, and you take it out with your tongs,
Okay.
and you put it on the cone roller. And then we use the cone roller and our tongs to feed it in.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Thank you.
And you just roll, roll, roll.
Oh, wow. Keep going. Thank you for your help. This is so cool.
Keep going. There you go. And we just let it sit there for a few seconds to cool.
How many seconds should we count to?
Let's count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, take it out.
Whoa.
You can probably grab it with your other hand. You made it.
Guys, look.
Okay, Shylo, I've got our waffles all crushed up.
Oh, wow. I got the sprinkles and our icing.
Fantastic. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this white chocolate, it's melted, and we're gonna drizzle it, of course. And we're gonna drizzle it over our waffles.
Okay.
And then we're gonna use that liquid chocolate just
Okay.
to put our sprinkles on.
Oh,
so I'll show you what I'm thinking. We're gonna do some scribbles. Why don't you try?
I'd love to try. Whoa. Chocolate, chocolate. I love chocolate.
Good job, Shylo.
Thanks, Andrea. This is so fun.
That looks so good.
Thank you.
Once you're done with that, then you can put some sprinkles on top.
Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. What's all? Yeah, there we go. So pretty. What do you think? Love it. It's perfect for ice cream.
You know what I think?
What?
Do you think it needs a little bit more color?
Oh, what do you have in mind?
Well, I was thinking we could take these icings and put little scribbles all over top of this.
Okay.
Maybe something like this.
Oh, that's so fun. I want to try too.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'm gonna put this in the freezer so it's ready for our ice cream, and we'll move on to the next step.
Yeah. So what are we making here?
I thought we could make some raspberry jam to swirl into.
Ooh.
Why don't you give it a stir?
Can I try some?
Of course. So for this, we added raspberries, sugar, and a little bit of lemon juice.
Oh, it's so good. Here is a quick recap of all the ingredients we need for Shylo ice cream.
Sugar.
Okay.
Skim milk powder. That ice cream. No, not that. Skim milk powder.
Look at this egg yolk.
Okay, now last step. We gotta make the ice cream.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the back.
Okay. Whoa, what's this?
This is the ice cream machine.
Oh, it's so cool.
This is where the magic happens.
Okay, what do I do?
All right, so I'm gonna open up the little trap door here, and you're gonna grab our ice cream mix
Okay.
and slowly pour it in.
Oh, that's heavy.
It is heavy. Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please. Whoa, that's so cool.
Close the lid,
Thank you.
and then there's a button that kind of looks like an ice cream cone.
This one?
Yeah, push that.
Oh, wow.
Now it's gonna take about 6 minutes.
Whoa.
The next step is pretty quick. We're gonna press the dispense button and let the ice cream come out while we add all the ingredients.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that looks so yummy. Wow. Oh, we made Shylo ice cream. Cheers, cheers. This is the best ice cream ever! Woo! Yeah!
So now we have to put it in the freezer until tomorrow. And one of my friends is gonna be here waiting for you to pick it up.
I cannot wait! Whoa! I am so excited to pick up my ice cream. Hey, I'm here to try my Shylo ice cream.
Awesome, I'm so glad you're here. Do you want to try it?
Oh, yes? Whoa! Shylo ice cream. So good. You gotta try some.